To start out our snow globe project, you need a circle. Whether you trace that circle or it's already on your paper, start with a circle. And we're going to draw the inside of our snow globe. So I'm going to start out with just a little wavy line for a snowbank, and then I'm going to draw two lines that lean to diagonal lines. This is going to be the rooftop of my house. Now I'm going to connect those and make a parallelogram. But after I do that, then I'm going to make another leaning line, and this is the back of the house. I'm making it look three-dimensional. Now I have two straight lines down. This is for the side of the house and the bottom of that. And then I'm going to finish off the back side of my house, straight up and down and to the side. Now that I have the shape of my house, I'm going to add the other details, like the roof of the porch. I'm going to add some windows, the door, the chimney. Those are details that you can decide as the architect what you would like to add to your house. I'm done with my house and I'm happy with it, I'm going to add a big tree next to my house. Now you can add a tree, or you can add other details that you would rather have. This part is up to you as the artist to make the choices. Last thing I'm going to add is a little snowman in the front yard. This is just for fun. So think of the details that you would like to have around your house, in your snow globe, in the yard, and what would make your drawing interesting. When you are finished with your drawing and you're happy with it, go ahead and trace all of your pencil lines right on top of your pencil lines with a black permanent marker, a Sharpie or whatever permanent marker that you have. Do not color in any details with this Sharpie. This is only to trace over your lines. After I finish tracing, I'm going to color using my crayons. Now I pulled out a bunch of different shades of blue. There's light blue and dark blue. I even have some purple. So as I'm coloring, I'm going to color around the outside rounded part of the sky of my snow globe. I want to color in kind of a circular line around that outside edge to make it look circular. This will make it look more like a globe if you color this way. So I'm coloring in a rounded, almost like a rainbow, those curved lines all the way around. I'm also going to be blending colors together. I'm not just using one blue. I'm using several different types of blue in order to blend colors together and add some variety to the colors that I'm using. I'm also using some purple and blending it in there too. And this is a really great technique to use your crayons to make some really beautiful and interesting artwork. As you are finishing up blending your sky with several different shades of blue, you can color your house and you can color your tree and whatever other details that you added. And on the snow, you can leave it mostly white, but you can see what I'm doing, adding a little bit of blue. The shadows on the snow appear blue, so I'm adding my shadows with just a little bit of blue on my snowman and a little bit of blue in the snow on the ground. After that, then I'm going to finish coloring in all my other details. that my beautiful coloring is done, I'm going to add some snow. We're going to use a Q-tip as our paintbrush, and we're going to dot some white, maybe some glittery white paint as the snowflakes that are falling inside of our snow globe. So I'm just going to use my Q-tip, dip it in the paint, and dot, not a lot, all around my paper to show those snowflakes that are falling inside of the snow globe. I'm also going to add a little bit of snow, again using my Q-tip, just on top of the roof line, on top of my tree, anywhere that snow would fall and collect as like a little snowbank. So that will help to add some depth and dimension to our snow globes, making them look as if the snow has fallen and kind of landed on the tree and landed on the rooftop. One final detail that I'm going to add with my white Q-tip and the white paint is a reflection. This is the reflection off the glass that is on the outside of your snow globe. So I'm adding a white glare that is around the outside edge and on two sides, so two different reflections, one on one side and one on the other. And this will help your snow globe look like it is made of glass and that it is a globe and that it is round and circular and that there is form there. Once all the paint has dried, go ahead and cut out your snow globe with some scissors. For one last step of this project, take a solid strip of paper and roll it into like a paper chain. You roll it in and glue the ends together. Now, this is going to be the stand for our snow globe. So roll it together and hold it tight for a few seconds to give that glue some stick time. Once the glue has stuck together and your chain, your circle is going to stay put, then you're going to cut two slits in it to make it a stand for your snow globe. I'm going to take my scissors and only cut halfway down on one side and then on the other side. So right across from each other on that circle, and then you're just going to slide your snow globe into your snow globe stand and it will help it stand straight up. And voila, you have a beautiful snow globe. I cannot wait to see what you create.